There's 3 core types of offers you will make, but a lot of people are getting these in the wrong order, to the wrong people. Right offer, right person, right time. People go through the buyer's journey, whether you hold their hand or not. These offers go from colder traffic and then towards most aware. How to create your lead generation offer. This is the juicy stuff. Now, where I always start with trainings is the inverse thinking, what to avoid, right? Because it's easy for me to tell you what's good, but I'm going to tell you what's really bad first. So the first sin that I see is no offer. And this is real, and I like picking on law because they're always shit. This is sponsored, and also if you're in law, come see me. This is sponsored ad that they're paying for, going to a landing page with no call to action, no offer. Wow, don't do that. Number 2 that we see in the inverse thinking is wrong offer, wrong time. So imagine this, your toilet's flooding, and you sit down on Google, you type in emergency plumber near me, you click the first ad, and you're taken to a page, the ultimate toilet flooding guide, 5 reasons why your toilet might be flooding. Not helpful. But that's what most of us are doing with our offers. And the third one, and the most prevalent, and the one I can almost guarantee nearly everyone here is doing, is a generic offer with no value. We call them the boiled chicken offers. No one wants boiled chicken. It's shit. Like, stop serving it up, right? We need to have value in our lead generation offers. We're going to talk about that right now. Because there's 3 core types of offers you will make, and most people don't break them down and compartmentalize it like this into their funnel. Number 1 is your authority beacon offer. That's a lead magnet, but I just have a cooler word for it, and I do it better than most people, because most people are terrible at lead magnets, right? But the point is, with an authority beacon, we turn attention into a lead. With our lead gen offer, we're turning attention into a lead, but a sales qualified lead, different part of the funnel. And then the third offer we make is our sales offer. But a lot of people are getting these in the wrong order, to the wrong people. Because your job is to match the temperature of the traffic and stage of the buyer's journey. So the temperature of the traffic, the stage of the buyer's journey to the right offer. And you've probably all heard this, right? Right offer, right person, right time. That's all I'm talking about. How do we figure this out? Is anybody here familiar with Eugene Schwartz's 5 levels of awareness? Good, yeah, because you're smart marketers. I do other events where I'm like, okay, so this is a button, and you click it, and it pops up a form, but you guys get it. I've taken off unaware, and you can see here it goes from problem aware to most aware. And then we can see, because I obviously do my own slides, and they're a bit messy, but there's the authority beacon earlier down for the colder traffic, the problem unaware. Moving all the way through, we start to introduce different offers. Does that make sense? Pretty easy, right? Awesome. So the authority beacon, not where we're focusing today, but it's very important. I want to tell you this concept. Now, there's a difference between harvesting for now and planting seeds for later. Is anyone here a farmer? Me neither, but I'm going to try and use a farmer analogy anyway. So imagine you have all these crops and you're constantly cutting them and never replanting them and never planting seeds for the future. That's what most businesses do. And then they're upset and annoyed that they don't have any pipeline, right? So what most businesses are doing is only harvesting for now and not planting any seeds for later. Let's have a look. So this is why your authority beacon, your lead magnet, is so powerful. On the left-hand side, this is a client of ours, straight to Calendly leads. 160 leads in October, cool. $130 to $200 CPL, cool. Down, like the client's happy. But that's just harvesting in-market leads. That's just collecting people ready to buy now. People go through the buyer's journey, whether you hold their hand or not. And most people, most businesses, are not finding people earlier and building that pipeline. So when we launched their ebook, their lead magnet, we got 831 leads in October. Now, I know, they're not the same leads, right? A calendar lead is obviously better than an ebook lead. But for this ebook, we had a phone number because they had a sales team who needed work. So we put a phone number on it, and our CPL was $5.08. So they can call those leads. But we also have a funnel to nurture the rest of them through the buyer's journey. So if we only convert 5%, we can get $100 per booked call. And that's why the economics and the psychology of all of this are so important. Now, our second one is our lead gen offer. The whole idea here is you have to get a lead before you can get a sale. But so many of us are too busy going, hey, nice to meet you. Can you buy my shit? And that's not the way to do it. We have to give value, to be able to get the lead. The goal is to actually have leads who want to talk to you, because not a lot of companies do that, right? So here's why it's so powerful. Client in finance, same traffic spend, but with a new landing page and offer. On the left, 5.61 conversion rate. Not too bad on Google Ads, not great. And a $712 CPA. They would not give us more ad spend. We had to squeeze more out of their marketing economics. So we launch a new landing page, we launch a new offer, and then we get a 17% conversion rate. So that's a 200% increase. And also we decrease the CPA by $273. That's the power of launching a new offer into the market. Same traffic, same ads, new offer. And thirdly, we have your sales offer. This is just basically how you package up what you sell and you present price to be less than the value, right? And this is the part where you turn the lead into a sale. It's very powerful because when you do that correctly, well, then you're going to have an easier sales process and you're going to close faster. So here's an example of me stealing another agency's clients. Sorry, not sorry, I have a better offer, I get the money, I get the client. And that's what it is, right? Better offers, more clients, more money. When you have all three of these offers, you turn into this guy. You have a very powerful funnel. Unsure if you can obliterate half of humanity, let me know. But you guys are here because you want more leads, like phone call leads, right? Not like ebook leads. So are you ready for the lead gen templates? We're going to walk through this together and you're going to leave this room with a new lead generation offer. Yes, Alicia, I'm so excited. Woo! Yeah, you guys get it? Okay, good. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you the template. I'm going to show you the template in action on a real client. And then I'm going to talk to you through whether you should use the offer or not, like who it's for. These offers go from colder traffic, so like down that other end of the buyer's journey, and then towards most aware. That's how we're going to go. So offer template 1. Discover how target market identity / you can achieve dream outcome with weird or contrarian thing. Okay. So let me read out an example. For Australian medical professionals who invest in property, that's an eyebrow, it calls them out. Discover how Australian doctors are growing $5 million portfolios with Medico-only loans and A-grade off-market properties. There's an example of the template in action. So there's the template, there it is in action, and now here's when you use it. So this is great for Facebook ads and organic social, right? Because they're further back in that buyer's journey. They're not the hot traffic, they're not quite in market, they don't know what they want yet. They're usually solution or product aware, and they're usually in research mode. They're not actually ready to buy yet, it's kind of up to your sales team to nurture them, right? The next one, offer template 2. Discover how you can achieve dream outcome with your free XX minute name for consult. Now we can start to see here how it's the inputs and outputs. So if you get that dream outcome wrong, because you don't do your research properly, so your strategy is wrong, so your execution is wrong, it's not going to hit the bullseye. You're going to be sending out random arrows and no one's going to take up your offer. Let's see it in action. Want to source a Chinese manufacturer you can trust ASAP? Discover exactly how you can source your next profitable product from China with your free 30-minute product sourcing plan. So this is great for Facebook ads and organic social. We're still down that colder end of the buyer's journey, where your market is in solution or product aware, and they're after less of a commitment. It's also really helpful if people aren't familiar with your service, like they aren't going on Google and searching for you. I have a lot of clients like that, where like no one actually knows what to search because they kind of know the problem, but they don't know the solution. That's where these 2 first offers are great. Number 3. Apply for your free 2 to 3 word dream outcome consultation with city/country's top, what you're an expert in. I don't know if my mouth words work for these templates. I've got the curse of knowledge. I've read these so many times, so I hope you guys are picking up what I'm putting down. But let's see it in action. Apply for your champagne design consultation with Dallas's top remodeling and additions firm. Or apply for your free Get Funded consultation with one of Australia's top experts in property. So that's the template in action. This one works great for Facebook or Google Ads or email. This one's especially great if you have the clout to claim you're the best and you have a very clear niche. It's also great when you're the authority who directly takes the sales calls. Yeah, so you can position yourself against a generic salesperson. People love knowing they're going to talk to the co-founder or the CEO or someone higher up and not some commission breath sales dude. You can use that in your lead generation offer. It's valuable. And it's also great if people favor local knowledge as well. So if people like the fact that you know the area, that's when it's great. Okay, template 4, 2 more to go. Book your free demo chat consult to see how your biz name, so yours, can help you achieve dream outcome. For example, find out how much you can borrow in just 15 minutes. Or book your complimentary ring design consultation and start your journey to yes. You can see here, we're not using the templates exactly. Templates are a way to get you started, right? They're a way to get you started. But this is great if you have direct, email, Google Ads, Facebook ads, and your lead, your prospect, your market are in those product or most aware phases, especially if your prospect is assessing different providers. So for example, that first one is finance. In their buyer's journey, when someone's looking for a B2B loan, they're going to look at a few of them. So that's like the next step. That's the next micro yes. Or if you're going and getting an engagement ring, you usually go to a few people. Or I assume you guys do. I don't know how you do it, but that's this offer. Okay, so the next logical step is that they talk with you. That's what I'm getting at here. And now the last template, offer template 5. This is great for Google Ads when someone's actually searching for the thing you do, like they know what they're looking for. So get your thing they searched in time without fear or friction, guaranteed all your money back. So here's an example of a client. Get your corporate video shot, edited and delivered to you in just 3 weeks, guaranteed all your money back. We did that because when we did the research, we found out that the market had been burnt by other videographers before, where they never even got the video, or they never responded. So we knew the bullseye of the market, and we led with guaranteed all your money back. You can see with this one and this next one, it starts to get closer to the sales offer, right? It's starting to talk about the thing we sell. That's okay, because this temperature of traffic is further down the buyer's journey. A discovery one wouldn't make sense, because that's not what the target market's looking for. They want quotes. They want to see the sales offer. It's the right message, right offer, right time. And this is one that we did for an agency. We guarantee to grow your sales by 20% plus in 90 days, or we work for free. Yes, get my free brand audit and sales forecast. So these offers are great when you have direct, Google Ads, product or most aware, and often your prospect is looking for quotes. Also, you might be in a commoditized market where they're just looking for quotes, and it is what it is. Now, when it comes to offer creation, there's a little bit more than just that. But if you can get that right, you'll be ahead of most people in your markets. So this is another gift that I'll be giving you today, so you can beef up the value in your offer. But let's recap lead gen offers. We have authority beacon, we have lead gen offers, we have sales offers. What we're looking to achieve is that somebody takes up the next step with you. Yeah? So when we do our funnel, when we do our offers, we're not looking for a knockout punch. Hey, I'm going to knock them over the head and drag them back to your cave. We're looking for the micro yes, the little micro yeses through the funnel until eventually they're a customer. That's what we're looking to do. What you also want to do when you create your lead gen offer is make sure that they can see that they're going to get value out of becoming a lead, whether they go ahead with you or not. That's the problem that most people are missing. There's no value to becoming a lead, and whether they go ahead with you or not, they should come better out. So for most of you, you probably have an awesome lead gen offer. you just don't tell anybody. And for you, you have the curse of knowledge, and you probably think, duh, of course we give that to them. Like, duh, of course we tell them this. We answer their questions, we give them all this value. You need to say that in your lead generation offer, because people don't know otherwise. And then ultimately, you need to answer, so what? Who cares? What's in it for me? You have to get a lead before you can get a sale.